Hi guys, and welcome to day 4 of this travel vlog here in Dubai. So earlier today, we went up the Burj Khalifa, the tallest skyscraper in the world. Now, we went up to the at the top sky deck, which is the highest deck that the public is allowed to go to. It was the highest deck at the time of this recording. They've since opened a lounge that's at an even higher level than the at the top sky option. You should definitely go for the new option. You're paying to go into the world's tallest building. Go as high as you can go. Okay, I'm done. And I'm just going to let the rest of this video do the talking, so... really high up. So here we are at the top of the Burj Khalifa, and man, what a view this is. Okay, maybe not the top, but at the top sky deck, and I gotta say, this is just, this view is absolutely spectacular. I've never seen anything like this before. You see so many really, really tall buildings, and they're all below me. That's just, I can't comprehend that. So we are at the Dubai Mall, which is one of the largest malls in the world. And it's a hub for just about anything you could want here in Dubai, including access to the Burj Khalifa at the top. But as far as retail options, entertainment options, it's off the charts here. They also have the world's largest coordinated fountain show right here in this giant lake-sized fountain. So yeah, the more we walk around, the more awesome things that we find. So we're gonna keep on doing that. are going to ride the roller coaster, the Dubai drone. So it's really cool. We got Dubai, we got drones, we got roller coasters. Those are three things that I like all in one convenient place. Okay, so we got our cards for VR Park. So I guess this is a mini so many perks, so little time, isn't it? Oh, yes. Okay, Casper, why is it easier to find a Dunkin' Donuts here in Dubai than it is in Casper?
Timing, lighting, timing को बहुत पीछे
So that's it for day 4 of the vlog, and all I can say is the bar has been set, and it has been set high. Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, the best fountain show in the world, and a roller coaster to boot. I mean, it's going to be tough to top this day. So hopefully you guys have had just as much fun watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one, day 5. We'll see where we're going. It's probably going to be big though. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.